My name is Reece Clark. I work here for JK Williams. I've been with JK's for 11 years. We're at Southwest Sydney doing a subdivision out here. I'm a site supervisor for JK Williams. I deal with all the managing of day-to-day running of the job out here, all involving a subdivision, residential subdivision. Activities that we do here as part of the works is generally bulk earthworks, road development, stormwater installation, goes through to other services including electrical, generally sewer and comms and gas. I enjoy seeing a job come together. It's always a big shift from when you first move into an area and you start doing those works to, the finished product. Big changes, you can see large amounts of earth getting moved, lots of things happening, and there's always big changes every day. We use a range of different machines on site. We start off with big earth moving equipment, scrapers, dump trucks, large excavators, graders. Further down the line of the job, the machines tend to get smaller, graders, smaller excavators, bobcat, you just about use everything. I can move a lot of machines. I wouldn't say I'm an operator of many machines, but I can find my way around most machines. What we're doing on this job here, it's a subdivision. It's going to be about 150 house lots. For the future, there could be up to 3,000 houses built within this subdivision. And at the moment, this is the first stage or two, which is about 150. For the next stage, another 150. I've been with JK's for coming up to 11 years now, and I've been a foreman with JK's for about 6 years now. I've moved around all around Western Sydney, done job away in other parts of regional Sydney. Big changes, machines have gotten bigger, they've gotten faster, they've gotten smarter. We use all kinds of GPS technology now, which only on a few select machines when we started. Now it's just about on all machines. We can upload new files. Every operator can see what they're doing, where the job's progressing to. Probably the secret to success is for JK Williams is just evolving with the times. We've always been sort of forward thinking in what we want to do within the industry, using new machines, new technology, trying to be early adapters of different equipment, different systems, and just trying to be on the front foot with all the changes coming to the industry. Female operators coming into the industry, it's been a really good thing. We've like from when I started, I think we only had 1 or 2 women in the workforce. I've been here for 11 years now and probably up to about 15 women on the ground working. They seem to be able to get in a machine and figure it out really quickly. They slot in really good with the guys. They've got good banter, a really good change having women in the workforce. We've had a long-standing relationship with Westtrack. I think it's always just been their reliability. The machines have always been there, been available. Service has always been there, and parts have always been able to come quickly for any of our service works. They've always had a good relationship with the guys in the workshop. They know the equipment, and it's just basically the reliability that you can expect from Caterpillar and Westtrack. So with this site, with the environmental expectations that a lot of the big companies, the tier 1s that we tend to work to, there's a big emphasis on being more environmentally friendly, using more sustainable practices, being more fuel efficient, which then in turn works well for us. We can drive our prices down and get a better result for our client. On this job, for instance, we have a full solar setup. We're 100% solar. We've committed to getting EV vehicles to supply a lot of our fleet, which is going to be sort of rolling out the more they come in. And that also turns over to the Westtrack equipment. They're on the leading edge of environmental equipment. Their new models of dozers and stuff, we use a few of them. We've noticed some big fuel efficient gains from those equipment. Over the next 10 years, I expect JK Williams to still be involved in the residential subdivision, but pushing more into the state sort of infrastructure, tunnelling, any of those big major city projects that we can get involved with, where we can be on the leading edge and on the front foot with new and upcoming technology. For anyone that wants to get involved in the civil industry or get involved with JK Williams, I'd say you don't need any experience. You've just got to be keen to work, keen to get involved. It's a massive industry. It seems like it's always going to be there, and get involved with any kind of earthworks, and I think you'll have a long career in front of you. The new D6 XE model that we've gone into, we've had that for about a year now. That just came from trying to be more sustainable, more fuel efficient. It's obviously something that JK's wants to try and do. We always try and push the environmental side, push the more up-to-date equipment. And sometimes it's a bit of a gamble, but I think it's really paid off. The operators seem to really like it. They're really happy with the power, and they haven't had any complaints with it. It's been a really good machine so far, and we're really happy with that D6. Having these new machines like the D6 XE has been one of the vital reasons that we can tender on these jobs and push our environmental agenda. It's something that these big tier 1 companies look for, and these kind of machines are part of the reason that you can go and win new tenders.